Alright, today I'm going to show you how to clean the dust from your ps3. Alright, once you just have the power disconnected, you put you hold this button, you hold it, and you plug in the power, this thing. Let me just do it right now. Just hold this thing. You can't do it with one hand. Alright, you just hold this, the eject button, and you put the power connection. And then you just let it go. That's it. Don't be scared and shit. Like, oh my god, delete everything. No, it doesn't. So remember, just hold this, and then it's not gonna show the light. So you're gonna have to disconnect it again and turn it back on, and just put it back on. And it's just back. So that's it. I'm just showing you. Right? It doesn't. Nothing happened. You can see working fine. Nothing happened. Nothing really happened. So that's it. Thanks for watching.